To measure an unknown voltage from an unknown voltage source, put your multimeter's voltage measuring range to its maximum voltage measuring range. And if you use a digital multimeter like I do, and if you don't use an analog multimeter, you can just randomly put the probes in and measure the voltage. If you measure the voltage wrong, as you can see, it shows negative here. So this power supply is 12 volts, and we can put the voltage down to 20 to get even more accuracy, like this. And we can measure other voltages on the board, like here 5 volts regulated and 3.3 volts regulated, about 3.4. And that's how